With this functionality of the Financial Extensions Bundle, the user is able to reactivate voided invoices and closed orders, in both cases, either sales or purchase. Also, in the case of amortizations, the user can process or unprocess one or more records at the same time. In the case of invoices or orders, the process is the same. Select one transaction and click the Unvoid button for invoices or the Undo Close button in the case of orders. Then, Attendo shows a success notification in green once the process is complete and the document status is completed. In the case of amortizations, it is possible to select one or more than one record at the same time. Then, click the Process Unprocess button, depending on the corresponding original status of the selected amortization. Attendo also shows a success notification in green once the process is complete. For more information, visit the link in the description below. That's all for now. See you in the next video.